Pranayama, that is breath control. Pranayama, which literally means stretching or expansion of prana, the vital life force, involves breath control and helps train and prepare the mind for dharan, that is concentration. Sit in any meditative posture. Keep the spine erect and your head and neck straight. Eyes should be closed. Relax the muscles of the body and become aware of your breath. Do not control your breath forcefully. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Make a Nasikagra Mudra in your right hand and place your right hand thumb on the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril and with ring finger close the left nostril and release your thumb and open the right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril, then inhale from the right nostril and close the right nostril with your thumb. Open the left nostril while lifting up the ring finger and exhale through the left. This is your one round. Now you practice 5 to 10 rounds by yourself. As pure oxygenated air is breathed into the lungs with each cycle, the blood gets purified and circulation improves. This pranayama helps strengthen the lungs and increase overall lung capacity. Alternate nostril breathing can help treat disorders of the respiratory system. Due to the improvement in blood circulation, the functioning of other organs in the body also improves. As circulation improves, energy levels also increases. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama helps with weight loss. It increases the rate of metabolism. It helps calm the nervous system. Regular practice helps reduce stress. It can improve mental health. It can help improve appetite. Alternate nostril breathing can help. Now we will perform Bhastrika Pranayama. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Keep the head and spine straight. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out forcefully through the nose. Do not strain. Immediately afterwards, breathe in with the same force. During inhalation, the diaphragm descends and the abdomen moves outward. During exhalation, the diaphragm moves upward and the abdomen moves inward. The above movement should be slightly exaggerated. Continue in this manner, counting 10 breaths. At the end of the 10 breaths, take a deep breath in and breath out slowly. This is one round. Practice up to 5 rounds. Keep the eyes closed and concentrate on the breathing and the counting. While performing this pranayama, always keep the breath rhythmical. Inhalation and exhalation must be equal. Bhastrika should not be practiced by people who suffer from high blood pressure, heart disease, hernia, gastric ulcers, stroke, epilepsy, or vertigo. Those suffering from lung diseases such as asthma or chronic bronchitis, or who are recovering from tuberculosis are recommended to practice only under expert guidance. This practice burns up toxins and removes diseases of the doshas or humors, that is kapha, phlegm, pitta, bile, and vata, wind. Because of the rapid exchange of air in the lung, there is an increase in exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide into and out of the bloodstream. This stimulates the metabolic rate, producing heat and flushing out the waste and toxins. The rapid and rhythmic movement of the diaphragm also massages and stimulates the visceral organs, toning the digestive system. Now we will perform Kapalbhati Pranayama, that is frontal brain cleansing breath. For that, sit in any comfortable meditative posture. The head and spine straight and the hand resting on the knees in either Gyan or Chin Mudra. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils, expanding the abdomen, and exhale with a forceful contraction of the abdominal muscles. Do not strain. The next inhalation takes place by passively allowing the abdominal muscles to expand. Inhalation should be a spontaneous or passive recoil, involving no efforts. Perform 10 respirations to begin with. Count each respirations mentally. After completing 10 rapid breaths in a succession, inhale and exhale deeply. This is one round. Practice 3 to 5 rounds. It is important that the rapid breathing used in these techniques be from the abdomen and not from the chest. The number of respirations may be increased from the initial count of 10 to up to 20 as the abdominal muscles become stronger. If pain or dizziness is experienced, stop the practice and sit quietly for some time. When the sensation has passed, recommence the practice with more awareness and less force. If the problem continues, consult a yoga teacher. Kapalbhati should not be practiced by those suffering from heart disease, high blood pressure, vertigo, epilepsy, stroke, hernia, or gastric ulcers. Now we will perform Bhramari Pranayama, humming deep breath. For that, sit in a comfortable meditative posture. The spinal cord should be erect, the head is straight, and the hands resting on the knees in Chin or Gyan Mudra. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. The lips should remain gently closed with teeth slightly separated throughout the practice. This allows the sound vibration to be heard and felt more distinctly in the brain. Make sure the jaws are relaxed. Raise the arm sideways and bend the elbows, bringing the hands to the ears. Use the index finger to plug the ears. The flap of the ears may be pressed without inserting the fingers. Bring the awareness to the center of the head where Jnana Chakra is located and keep the body absolutely still. Breath in through the nose. Exhale slowly in a controlled manner while making a deep, steady humming sound like that of a black bee. The humming sound should be smooth, even and continuous for the duration of exhalation. The sound should be soft and mellow, making the front of the skull revibrate. This is one round. At the end of exhalation, breathe in deeply and repeat the process. Perform 5 rounds. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tensions. Helps in reducing anger and anxiety. Also reduce blood pressure. It speeds up the healing of the body tissues and may be practiced after operations. It strengthens and improves the voice eliminate throat ailments. Bhramari Pranayama induces a meditative state by harmonizing the mind and directing the awareness inward. The vibrations of the sound create a soothing effect on the mind and nervous system. It also an important aspect of Nada Yoga, which use subtle sound, vibration of attitude,